But one thing we really got to start paying attention to right now is all of our landscaping.
To get that ball rolling, landscape designer Paul Fontenot has worked out a plan that will give the landscape as much character as the house itself.
You know, good landscaping should always complement, not overwhelm the house, and we're having some nice focal points with some feature trees, flowering trees. Considering the views inside looking out, which is always important. A lot of people only think about it from dressing up the outside, but it should be a really nice mix of flowering, deciduous, and evergreen plants.
Yeah, it looks
and
awesome.
You can see here where we've got a nice lawn area kind of wrapping around the corner lot. So we have a nice view from the street, and then once you turn into the driveway, we have this nice lush planting so that really whenever you pull in, you have a great feeling that you're surrounded by these nice plantings.
Well, the front of the house is a lot of times for the neighbors and others, but the backyard is for the real family-friendly aspect of this house is going to come together. Let's take this back here and take a look at that.
Paul's plan for the front should make the neighbors happy, but I also wanted to see what he has planned for the backyard.
Well, Paul, I was real curious of how you were thinking about this area. You know, it's not a giant area, but could be a pretty nice area for some kids to play, and I know we want some type of entertainment area out there. How did you address this overall?
Our goal was to kind of make this part of the yard and this courtyard, which is essentially going to be mostly hardscape, flow together and function as one yard. You know, the goal of the backyard being, you know, the backyard's your personal, you know, paradise, and your downtime is really an extension of your living space. Yeah. Once we get the hardscape elements in place, then we need to begin our trenching and laying out of the sprinkler systems, as well as putting in the underground wiring for our outdoor lighting system.
Oh yeah, the lighting, that's a whole nother thing. Now we got a whole nother set of plans to go through, don't we?
Exactly.